So you guys, almost there, being monetized. Help me out. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you know some friends that know some friends, share my video. I don't know. I don't really go live. I went live on Facebook before. I don't think I ever went live on YouTube. So I might just go live once I see that 1,000 subscribers. Well, what about monetize? Because I still got to get my watch hours up. So I'm working on it, you guys. Thanks a lot for the ones who are tuning in, been watching, subscribing, sharing my videos, even with the few little comments. As long as they appropriate, I will post them. If they're inappropriate, your comment will not be on my video. I'm sorry. I'm not ready for that yet. Because, see, I got a smart mouth. And see, I've been told you something as well. So, I'm still working on that. Okay. So, we got something to say. As long as it's appropriate. Other than that, you won't be on my ass. I know it's part of being a content creator. Having your comments up and everything up. But some folks be hating. I ain't got time for it. Let's see, I've been talking about your mama, your grandmama, and whoever. Your daddy, your granddaddy. See, that's how I go. I go hard. I go real hard. So, I just leave that to the birds right about now, okay? I ain't gonna even go there. So, and God's still working on me. Remember that. I was somewhat of a thug before I was saved. Okay. And don't tell me that when I go back to letting you know what you need to know. Don't come for me, or I won't come for you. When you don't come for me, I ain't gonna come for you. But when you coming for me, I'm gonna come. So, I love to kill you guys with kindness. God's still working on me. Because sometimes I won't kill you with kindness. I'll let you have it. You'll be like, oh, Lord, what done got into that woman? Oh, Lord. Yeah. I'm diverse. From the hood, suburb, upper class, all of it. So, I get a little ratchet too, and keep it classy as well. So, we don't keep it professional. Well, you guys, it's been a blast though. I'm doing these videos, all that stuff. Like, I had opened up my channel, I think, back in 2011. I was doing a lot of marketing and stuff for a couple of companies, so forth, you know. Then, well, investing and all that stuff too, like doing compounding. I love to save money. I was talking about saving, money and all that stuff. Showing you guys how to get cell phones for cheaper, how to even become your own cell phone company, But, excuse me, a couple of those businesses that merged. I started bringing that bull crap. Excuse me. The compounding, a couple of compounding ones where you invest your money, compound and all that stuff. Just some easy work, but they let us get a lot of money at first. Then they ran off with our money, froze our accounts and so forth. So I'm like, oh Lord, why me? I ain't even gonna talk about how much money they ran off with. Never received it back, but it was some big bags. You feel me? So I just kind of left YouTube alone, so forth. It was lifing. Going through stuff with my ex-fiance, kid's father, and all that stuff. I wasn't on there. I was still in school, in college and all that stuff to, get my degree in law. YouTube just became too much for me, so I had to set it aside. I'm pretty sure if I would have succeeded, if I would have kept on going, I know my content would have been pushed out. I would have been monetized, for sure, way back in the day. Especially I had a whole lot of things to talk about, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't proceed with it because a lot of those companies, they're no longer here. And I wouldn't want nobody to be thinking that I was scamming them, So, due to the bull crap that those other companies were doing. So, that's what happened with that. But, life is good. God wanted me to do what He wanted me to do. He ordered my steps way back then. So, you gotta do what He wants you to do. Might not be comfortable with it, but that's it. I was able to attain a lot of other great things while I wasn't all in the limelight. Well, I like to show you guys when I go to the grocery store. I see that a lot of those channels be booming. Yeah, I'm kind of multi-niche. I don't really have one specific niche on this channel. Now, I do have a few other channels. I have specific niches, but I'm just mainly trying to focus on this one, especially since it was back in the days when I first started it, and I really would like to see it thrive, succeed, be able to accomplish my goal as far as that. Like my bio, it basically says that you never know what you might hear. Drop the mic. So that's what I'm doing. I'm dropping the mic. I'm gonna drop the mic. I like to share my little cooking, even when it's already been cooked and I'm showing you what I'm about to eat and all that stuff. That's what's up. I'm really a private person. a little bit of what you know, but I am. This is like something different when I invite you guys into some of my lifestyle. So I have to limit some of the things because I don't need y'all up in my business like that. So, you know, grocery shopping, a little cooking, a little food, maybe go out to eat or something like that. You know, do a little shopping. I don't never really show when I do be spending like a whole lot of money. Because I don't need everybody all up in my stuff. And I don't spend a whole lot all the time. I ain't about to be just buying up everything. What for? My son, he's in high school. He's about to go to college. My daughter in college. I mean, you got to pay for all that stuff. Save up for that. And that's generational wealth. You know, I want something so that my grandkids, great-grandkids, great could live on as well. You know, kids, good. But I do want it to be created for generational wealth. So that's why, again, I like to save a lot. If I see some deals and stuff like that, better believe it, I am definitely excited, and I'm definitely for that. Because who wants to spend extra when you can get it at a cheaper amount? You can use that money that you might spend on something that's way more than what you're trying to get at one store, and it's cheaper at the other, but you can spend that money on investing. You can invest that money into stocks and bonds, you know, doing Forex, all that. I mean, like, it is a risk when you're trading, but if you're not trading, you know, you kind of way back in the day. Nothing. Because trading is the new game plan, you guys. But if you don't, you know, can't trade, that's fine. Go invest your money into a CD in a bank, you know. Keep it in one of them high yield savings accounts, you know. Real estate. Because, I mean, the cost of mortgages, rents, and all that stuff, leasing, that is pretty expensive, you know. So just imagine collecting all of that from 5 to 10 tenants in 1 month. Like, that's generational wealth right there. So put those pennies, those coins, dollars, whatever, however you want to say, put those into something that's going to grow, an asset, not a liability. And with me, I done bought up a lot of times in life, bought up cars and stuff like that. You know, really, cars is not really nothing. Those are liabilities. I'd rather invest more of my money into assets, and I definitely appreciate I started doing these things. Because without that, excuse me, I really wouldn't have nothing else to fall on. You know, as far as resources and stuff. So that's been a blessing. You know, truthfully, all those liabilities are nothing. And I'm going to tell you that, nothing. They brings no value. Maybe a Corvette, you know, that don't really lose a lot of value. But you still losing. But you know, it's good to live a lavish lifestyle as well. But majority of billionaires, they don't really even live that type of lifestyle. They dress down, dress normal, you know, got a normal size house, normal size mansion, you know, so that's what it is. Build. Alright, you guys, I just wanted to talk to you for a minute. So, again, do me a favor. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, follow button if you're on Facebook, whatever, if you see this. I don't know. You go over to my Facebook page, too. Go over to my TikTok, my Instagram as well. If you over here for show on YouTube, go ahead and hit that button. Make sure that you hit that bell so you can be notified on the best videos, okay? Because definitely appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Queen Karate. Peace.